Check out this Dodge 2018 Charger RT 392. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.